Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi everybody, let's see today our taking topic L'Hospital's rule. L'Hospital's rule. Today we will find out the limit of function by using L'Hospital's rule. So first let's know the what do you mean by the L'Hospital rule. According to the L'Hospital rules, here the form 0 upon 0. So see everybody, in order to apply the L'Hospital rules, we need the form 0 upon 0, indeterminate form 0 upon 0. Then, according to the L'Hospital rule, f of x and g of x are also their derivatives. These one, if f of x and g of x have also their derivatives, this f prime of x is the derivative of f of x and g prime of x is the derivative of g of x are continuous. They are continuous at this point, and if f of a equals to g of a equals to 0, then what we can do, limit of f of x upon g of x as x tends to a equals to limit of f prime of x as x tends to a, limit of g prime of x tends to a. Here you need to find out the derivative of numerator, and then you have to find out the derivative of denominator, and then then you can find this f prime of a equals to g prime of a. Alright, provided that g prime of a is not equal to 0. If both again 0, f prime of a equals to 0, g prime of a equal to 0, then again we can use this theorem. Like if f prime of a and g prime of a are both 0, right? Both 0, then the above theorem can further be used. So again, you need to find out the second derivative, and then you can apply the limit. So if not equal to 0, if set g double prime means second derivative of denominator is not equal to 0, then that will be the limit of function. If again this equal to 0 and this equal to 0, then again we can use the theorem further, right? Let's see. So you can go through that in example. I have taken one example. From there you can understand, right? Thereafter I take the question. Look at here, find the limit as x tends to a. I am going to write down limit as x tends to a, x raised to power m minus a raised to power m over x minus a. If we see if we use x is equal to a, then we will get 0 upon 0 form. Okay, so to apply L'Hospital's rules, we need 0 upon 0 form. Okay, here we go. According to the L'Hospital's rules, limit as it stands today, this upper one is f of x, lower one is g of x. Let's find the derivative of this one. So derivative of x raised to power n is n x raised to power n minus 1, and derivative of a n is 0. So see, I have done with respect to x, derivative of this one. All you know very well, n x n minus 1 0 because of constant. Okay, and derivative of x is 1 and this one is a constant. So limit as x tends to a of n x minus 1. So we have got with this one, n of x. In denominator we have 1 which is not equal to 0. So okay, now we can write down So n a, because as x tends to a, then this tends to a n minus 1. This is the limit of function. We have used L'Hospital rules. Listen to me everybody. How we know? We have used L'Hospital because we have got the derivative of numerator as well as derivative of denominator of the given function. Okay. So I am going to take the more questions. Let's see here. Here we go. Topic is L'Hospital rule. And listen to me already. One thing let me tell you, okay. We don't only use, okay, in case of the 0.0, also we can use in this form also. Infinity upon infinity. Ultimately infinity upon infinity also 0 upon 0. How? Because okay, if okay this one. If we do the reciprocal, okay, then we will find the 0 upon 0. So you just okay, remember we can use okay in case of 0 upon 0. If function okay is in the indeterminate form of 0 upon 0, and also we can use okay if the function is in the indeterminate form of infinity upon infinity. Okay, in these two forms we can use L'Hospital's rule. Okay, let's see the question. I'm taking more questions. Evaluate. Let me write down the questions. Evaluate. Number 1. Limit as x tends to infinity of x cube over ex. And then second question. Limit as x tends to 0. Okay, I'm taking first simple questions. And gradually I take the figure 1 as x tends to a square upon x raised to power 4 by 3 minus a raised to power 4 by 3. And next question, your limit as x tends to 0, x minus sin x over x cube. And the next one is so x tends to 0 as xx minus log of x plus 1 over x squared. Alright, now select it one more. Limit as x tends to infinity on 3x squared plus 4x minus 7 and 2x cubed plus 5x plus 8. Okay, alright. So for this and the remaining, I will take okay in next video more and more questions of L'Hospital's rules, right? So let's try to solve. Okay, very easy. Now this one, here we go. Solution first. Limit x tends to infinity x cube over ex. As you know, okay, this one is in the form of infinity upon infinity. Okay, in case of the infinity upon infinity, we can use L'Hospital's rule. So according to the L'Hospital's rule, we need to find out the derivative of this. Derivative of x cube means 3x square. Derivative of ex means simply ex, right? Again, okay, this one is in this form, infinity upon infinity. So you can't use infinity upon infinity. You have to remove okay this form. So again we have to use okay. L'Hospital's according to the law 6x upon ex. So step okay again infinity upon infinity form. So again we will do the derivative. Derivative this one is 6 and the derivative this one is. Now okay, this is not in the form of infinity upon infinity. So okay, ex okay. Now we can write on the 6. So this is the constant as ex tends to infinity, ex also tends to infinity, and something 6 upon infinity means 0, right? So here is 0. Now second one, limit as x tends to 0, sin of x over x. So if you see okay, this one is a 0 upon 0 form, right? So here we can use L'Hospital's rule. According to the L'Hospital's rule, we have to find the derivative of numerator. So derivative of sin x is cos x, as well as the derivative of denominator 1. So fairness to be right. So we can okay, cos 0 equals to 1, right? So this way we can find out. So I guess you understood. Now I'm going to tell the solution of the remaining questions. First one done, second done, and now we're going to take the third one. Solution definitely you will enjoy. Limit as x tends to a system over x raised to power 4 by 3 minus a raised to power 4 by 3. So if we use only a here, so it's going to be 0 upon 0 form. 0 upon 0 form. So let's apply the Hospital rules. Means okay, let's find out the derivative. X square is derivative and a square is constant. Derivative, this one is 4 by 3 x 4 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 1 means 1 by 3, right? So I will use formula n minus 1, right? And this one is a constant, so derivative of a raised to power 4 by 3 is 0. So still again, so we got to let's simplify. After simplification, we have this one. 3 goes up and so it becomes 2 times 3 upon 4, 2 ones are 2. So it becomes 3 upon 2 and x here x 1 by 3 and x and so listen to me, if you are thinking okay and x a here x raised to 1 by 3, now we can't use okay L'Hospital rule because we are not going to get it here 3a upon okay 2a 1 by q, alright. So 0.0 form we are not going to get okay. Sometimes what we do okay, we see x okay here we ignore and then again we try to find out the derivative okay. This way you can get drawn, right? Okay. So simply okay, 3a upon 2 a 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 by law of this is 1 minus 1 by 3. Finally it's going to be a 2 3 minus 1 2 by 3. So this one is the limit of given function. Okay. So I guess we have done okay. I missed this. So I'm going to remove this also. This also done. Now question number 4. Solution limit as x tends to 0 x minus sin x over x cube. So if we see 0 sin 0 0 and definitely denominator it will be 0. So it is also form of 0. Let's apply the L'Hospital rules. According to the L'Hospital rule, you need to find out the derivative numerator. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of sin x means cos x, and then derivative this one 3x square. So 1 minus cos 0 is 1, 3x square 0. So again this is in the form of 0 upon 0 form. So again you need to find the derivative of numerator. The 1 is 0, derivative of 1 minus cos means derivative of okay. Cos x is minus sin x derivative and 3 is 6x. So okay, I'm going to get in this one. Yes, sin x and derivative 3x square means 6x. So 6x. So again okay, sin 0 0, 6 times 0 means 0. So again okay, this one is in the form of 0 upon 0 form. Okay. So this is again we have to use okay L'Hospital rules. F tends to 0 sin means okay, derivative sin is positive, derivative 6. Okay. So this is not in the form of okay 0 upon 0. Alright. So finally we can say okay, cos 0 1 upon 6. Right? Cos 0 is 1. So if you are getting confusion, so cos 0. So I mean cos 0 by 6 means 1 by 6. Right? Okay. This one is the limit of the function 1 by 6. So this also done. Let's see the 5 number. Okay, so 1 2 is alright. So 1 by 6, right? So 5 number. I'm going to solve the 5 number. Limit x tends to 0. X e x minus log of x plus 1 over x square. Sorry. Equals to, you know right, 0 times 0 0. Log 0 means log 0 plus 1 1. Log 1 is 0. So here, so it becomes okay 0 upon 0, right? So still 0 upon 0 form. You can check 0 times 3x e to 0 okay 0. So log of 0 plus 1 log 1 okay 0. As we know okay log 1 equal to 0, right? Okay. So now I'm going to use L'Hospital rule. According to that, okay, let's find the derivative. Your function is in product. If function is in product, then we need to use formula. Which one? Product rule. First function So see, first function derivative of second. Derivative ex is ex. Derivative of ex is ex. Okay. First function derivative second plus second function derivative of x means 1. Okay. This is short of it. That's why we directly we can do minus, and you know derivative log is 1 upon. So 1 upon x plus 1. Okay. So your derivative of x can be 2x. So one of the important type of little bit difficult also. X ex plus ex and the minus. So I am writing x plus 1 minus 1. Sorry. So if you do this way, and it will be easy for you to find the derivative and here to it. So still let's check over here. For 0 it becomes 0 e raised to power x means 1. 0 plus this one is 0 plus 1 minus, and here 0 plus 1 minus 1 over 2 times 0. So x of 1 minus 1 upon 0. Okay, right? So 0 upon 0. So again, okay, this one is in the form of 0 upon 0. Right? 0 upon 0. So let's find out the derivative of unit. So again, same thing. Because first function derivative second is here plus first function derivative of here first function is 1. First function here product will be after the same as we have done in this line here, right? First function is derivative second plus second function derivative first unit. Derivative ex means same ex, and here derivative this one is minus is already there, minus 1 x plus 1 minus 2 formula, alright. So n minus n x n minus 1 in form and 2. So okay, so from this line, okay, so you are clear, okay, you no need to apply, okay, this L-Hospitals, because in denominator you have got constant x tends to 0, and here we are getting, okay, x ex plus ex plus ex minus minus plus 1 upon x plus 1 2 and 2. Okay, so let's see what we will get over here, and 0 times into 1 plus 1 e raised to power 0 1 e raised to power 1 0 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. Okay, so I get 0 plus 1 square by 2, and finally you will get over here. So like we write down over here 0, and this one 1 plus 1. And this also becomes to be 1, right? Upon 2 equals to 3 by 2. So this one is the limit. 3 by 2 is the limit of this function. Okay, everybody? Let's see the last one question, right? So last one question. So I guess you are clear, right? Last one is 6 1. Your limit as x tends to infinity of 3x square plus 4x minus 7 over 2x square plus 5x plus 8. So if we see, okay, it is in the form of infinity upon infinity. So let's apply, okay, L-Hospitals rule as x tends to infinity. Here we have 6x plus 4 and 0. Derivative of denominator in 2x square. 2 to the 4x plus 5 constant is 0. So we have, okay, limit x tends to infinity. Let's simplify. 6x plus 4 upon 4x plus 5. So again infinity. So this one is infinity plus 4 is infinity. Here infinity plus 5 also infinity, right? So if you multiply by infinity, you get, okay, infinity. And if you add, okay, any number to infinity, it becomes again infinity. So form infinity upon infinity. So let's apply again, okay, L-Hospital. According to L-Hospital, we have to find the derivative. Yes, 6 plus 0, 4 plus 0. Okay, so there is a so we have got, okay, there is a constant. So simply, okay. Alright. So it becomes 6 upon 4, so 3 by 2. Right? So alright. So this one is your limit of given function. So I think, okay, you are clear, okay. In next video I will take more and more questions, so that so totally you will be clear, okay, from this this topic, right? L Hospital's rule. So I guess okay, you are clear. If still any problem, you can tell me. Okay. Bye bye.